Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your active campaign account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish an active campaign landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unpublish a landing page in active campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes offers expire or offers come and go, so your landing page is no longer relevant. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your active campaign account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my active campaign account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unpublish one of your landing pages, here on the left, click on website. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here on pages. Okay, so here you will see all of the landing pages that you have put together on active campaign. You can see I just have these two. So first you want to go ahead and choose the landing page that you want to unpublish. So for example, this one right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see this little downward arrow. Click on there. And once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click on this right here, unpublish. All right, quick second later, you're going to see this green logo letting you know that your page has been unpublished. So it's now going to be considered a broken link anytime somebody goes there, but they're not going to be able to see the offer on that landing page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish a landing page in your active campaign, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.